Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam Bag for May 2018, and this is what the bag looks like. It's sort of like it looks like glitter. It's like a gold and a pinkish sort of color when you look in there. Um, Really pretty bag for this month, and at the bottom there you can see it says Ipsy. And I'm not going to unzip it, but the inside has like a pink lining. And the little tag is like, has like little fringes on there. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. And I have taken the items out of the bag. And, yeah, I just want to show you the things that I got in there, but first I want to just show you the little card that came in there, and it says May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is what the back looks like. It says don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. I got the regular glam bag for $10. They do have them for, I think it's like 20 some dollars. Yeah, I'd rather just keep with this. I like the sample, so yeah, I just got the sample size. Even though some of them, a few of them look like the more, to me they look like full size products, but yeah, that's what I got. And now they show like the products on the inside. The list of the products, and again, this is what it looks like. And the first item that I received is a buy. I think I'm saying it right. And I just want to tell you a little bit about it. It's a highlighter, and it's for the face, and it says Abide Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in 24K Magic. And so this is what this looks like. And this is what it looks like on the front here. Then the next item is a lipstick, and it's Bolton. And it looks like this. And they say that this is Bolton Cosmetics Full On Pumping Up. And it says Pumping Up Polish in Clear. So that's the color. And I was gonna, I tried to open it to show you, but it doesn't open. It's hard to open. But yeah, it has like little glitter inside, if you can see that. Really pretty color. Then the next item is this nice brush that I like. It's really nice. It has like the bluish and the pink in there, glitter. And it is called the SL Miss Glam Blending Brush. It's so cute, and it has like the little blue, and then the tip has the little pink, and I love pink, so it's really nice. That's what it looks like. And then the next item is Mark Anthony, and it's 100%. Oh, it says Mark Anthony true professional 100 extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter hydrating you hear me hydrating curl cream. And this is what this is for the hair, and it smells really, really good. I smelled it already and it smells good. And then I got this pencil, and it says here it's Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pencil in black Nur, whatever it says there. Very hard to see. But yeah, I got that in black. And let me just show you. It shows it here. It's black, so I'm not going to even bother to open it. You know what a black pencil look like. And then I had got a few items that I had bought separately. And this is Hala Neon. And this is in a matte liquid lipstick, and I think it says Furrow is the color, and it's like in a reddish color here. It's really pretty. I like this also. This is what I bought. I might as well stick it up here. I like to put things in order. That's just me. And then I bought another pencil. And it's by Pixie by Petra. And it is they said it's a rose glow eye pencil. So right there, that's it. And I'm just gonna take it off just to show you how it looks. And yeah, and it's for the eyes. This is also for the eyes. Yeah, so that's the other pencil. And then the last thing that I got, it's called Naked Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow. And it's a loose pigmented, and it's called Painted Cannon. Cannon, or yeah, I think that's what it is there. And it's like a purplish color when I looked at it. This is another thing, opening those package. The plastic is very hard. I had a hard time taking the plastic off those pencils. So, yeah, this is the other item that I paid for. Because you only get, I showed you the first 5 is what you get from, Ipsy in the Glam Bag. And the last 3 are what I bought separately. So yeah, these are all the products that I received. And the ones that I bought from Ipsy for May 2019. And yeah, to join it's $10. And they ask you what you like in the questionnaire online, and then they pick out products that they think you would like. Then they ask you to do like to tell them at the end when you receive them if you like them or not. So it's sort of like a survey, sort of. And yeah, they try to give you what you ask for in your next glam bag. So yeah, I just want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And goodbye. And oh, I should be getting more product, more boxes, so should be coming soon next week. So look out for them. And again, I would like to thank you. Goodbye.